Hello everyone, I'm Kristy and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys some of the easy tips and tricks that you can use to customize your MacBook to your liking. When I first got my MacBook, I actually didn't know any of these tips or tricks existed, so a lot of these things I just learned and I thought it'd be cool to share some of these things with you guys. Let me know in the comments down below if you tried any of these or how they went, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more. So without further ado, let's get to it. Okay, so one of the first things you can do on your computer is change your profile picture or the icon that pops up when you first sign into your computer. To do this, all you have to do is go to System Preferences, click on User and Groups, and then you can choose your picture from your desktop, from your camera, from photos, anything like that. The next thing you can do is change the date and the time to your liking. So what you have to do is go click on the time and open date and time preferences. And then you have to unlock in order to make any changes. So I typed in the password, and then you can see that you can have the clock be digital or you can have it be analog, which is basically just the clock. If you have it digital, you can have it display the seconds, you can have it flash the colons, or you can make it a 24-hour clock. For the date, right now you'll see that it just has the day of the week, but if you press show date, you can have the date along with the day of the week shown. Another thing you can do is change the colors on your MacBook. In order to do this, what you can do is go to System Preferences, go to General, and then you'll see that you can change the appearance, so you can have it be light, dark mode, or have it auto, which changes from the daytime to nighttime. For me, I like having it on light. And then you can also change the accent colors. The accent colors are basically these. If you choose red, for example, when you click on this, you'll see that the color becomes red. If you make it green, it'll become green like this. And then you can also change the highlight color. So with this, let's say I put it on yellow. When you highlight something, it becomes yellow like this. I think this is really cool actually, and I think I'm gonna make everything pink for now because pink is my favorite color. But yeah, this is really cool and I just learned how to do this. The next thing you can do is change the style of your dock. To do this, all you have to do is go to System Preferences, go to Dock, and then you'll see that you can change the size, make it small or make it big. And then you can also change where it is, so you can put it on the left side, the bottom, or the right. I think most people have it on the bottom, that's how I like it, but yeah. And if you don't want the dock to be there, you can also do automatically hide and show the dock, so that way it'll disappear if you just want to keep your MacBook more clear. Another cool thing I learned is if you want to text someone an emoji or anything like that and you don't want to go on Safari and copy and paste it, you can actually pull it up from your computer. To do this, you can either do Control-Command-Space and it'll bring up the emojis, or you can go to Edit and then Emojis and Symbols, and then it'll bring it up. I thought this is cool because sometimes when I'm looking for emoji, I have to go search it up on Safari and then copy it and paste it over. With this, I can just simply make it appear and then just easily have access to them. Another thing that you can do is hot corners. I actually didn't know what hot corners were until like a week ago, but basically it's like when you drag your pointer to a corner of the screen, it will automatically bring something up. So for me, for my left top corner, it brings up my clock. So in order to do this, all you have to do is go to System Preferences, go to Desktop, and then you'll see this hot corners down here. And with that, you can basically choose what you want each corner to do. So for me, start screensaver there. You can also put lock screen on the bottom right, anything that you'd like to put. Next is something that I find really cool. In order to change your folder icons, all you have to do is first find a picture that you want to make the folder icon. So for me, I chose this picture, and then you go to Edit and you press Select All and make sure you see this selection, and then go to Edit again and do Copy, and then you can exit out that. And let's say this is the folder that I want to put it on. So you click on the folder, go File, and then Get Info, and then make sure you click on the folder again, and then you just go Edit and Paste. And then now it just becomes like that. I think it's super cool, super cute. such a cute little folder, and it makes your computer more customized to your liking. If you wanted to, you could have like a SpongeBob background. You can make your folders the SpongeBob icons. I feel like that would be super cute and just something cool to do. The next thing you can do is you can customize your Google page. So for this, you do need to go on Chrome, and then you'll see down here it says customize. So let's say I press customize, and you can upload a background. So upload from device, and I chose this, open, and you're done. You'll see that it basically customizes how your Google Chrome looks like, and it's really cute, and you can make your own design, so that's super cool. Another cool thing that you can do is you can personalize sticky notes on your desktop. So to do this, you go to Launchpad and you basically find stickies. For me, I already took stickies out of Launchpad, so that's why it's on my dock, but this is what it looks like. Click on stickies, and let's say my note is that I need to make an egg sandwich. You can highlight it and change the font. So show fonts, and then you can make it any font you would like. Arial, Bakersville, anything like that. To make the size bigger, you do Command+++. And then you can also change the color of the sticky. So there's a lot of options, and they're all pretty cute. So yeah, this is just a really easy way to write down any notes or any to-dos that you have to do during that day. One last thing that I think a lot of people like and want to get is the flipping clock that they see on a lot of people's computer screens. To get this, you just have to go to fliqlo. I don't really know how to pronounce it, but this. And then you go in, find it, and then you'll see down here, you can download it for free for Mac. So you just press download, and then you click on it, and you let it verify that it is in fact safe. Once it's done, click on the saving, and then I already have it installed, so I'm just gonna keep it in there. Once you have it, you just choose it down here, and that is your screensaver. This is super cute, and I feel like it gives me really easy access to just finding the time whenever I need it. So these are just some of the easy tips and tricks that you can use to customize your MacBook. Thank you guys so much for watching. I appreciate every single one of you, and let me know in the comments down below if you tried any of these or if you guys have any other tips. Thank you guys again, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!